let's do it, guys! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Okay, 1, 2, 3. IKEA family!
Hi guys! Today is
So today is gonna be
Daddy!
What's up, IKEA family? So today is gonna be a fun day for us because it's assembling day. Okay, so guys, today we are gonna assemble a toy storage from IKEA.
Yeah.
It's called Trofast. So as you can see at the back of us,
it's very
it's very unorganized and so messy. So we were thinking that we need to organize everything with the help of the IKEA toy storage. As you can see there's a box there on the side, and there's like a drawers, white drawers.
Yeah.
So we are gonna be assembling that in a while, and we are gonna check what's in the box. Kenzo and Daddy will assemble toys. Oh yeah, and also Kendrick. So Kenzo, Kendrick, and Daddy are gonna be assembling an IKEA toy storage. We'll do it together, so I'm not sure what's the outcome of this. So let's do it, guys! Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. IKEA family! These are the drawers of the Trofast. Okay, so guys, we have 2 small drawers and 6 large drawers. So there we have, it's so heavy. So there we have the IKEA Trofast. Yeah, actually we have two of them. So one and another one there. So we're gonna be assembling this now, and let's see how it looks. Okay guys, so we have the manual here.
That's the manual. It looks so cool. What's this? Something here inside.
These are the tools.
This one. You need this thing. Put it in. Okay.
You can like that. You can use the other one. Oh wait, is this the perfect size?
There.
You need to picture outside. Okay, and oh, this one is yours.
There. I put it in.
Good. Alright, so guys, on the step 5, we are gonna roll it over on the other side. Okay, so Kenzo, carry, up slowly. There you go. Back is there. Gonna put the legs. Okay. So we are gonna put the legs. Is that a table?
It looks like a table.
It's like a protection from the ground. Open this. Like this, lower down there. Look at the drawing. So it should be that. Drawing. There should be a hole. So we need to go there. Yes, finally, Kenzo. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks like without the drawers.
Yep.
So Kenzo, can you please get the drawers and we will try to attach the drawers in each layers and we'll see how it looks like. First, let's try to put it here. There. Next, you can try to use the small one or the big. Can you just use the other small one, Ken? So let's try to put it here and give me a big drawer as this one. So you're gonna try to use this. Push it, Kenz. There. And the other one, please, Kenzo.
Last.
There you go, guys. Okay, so this is how it looks like with the drawers. So actually, you can adjust, or you can, like, if you want this one to be underneath, that could be fine. Let's
Yes.
try it, Kenzo. Can you do it? It's at the bottom. Let's try to put it at the very bottom. There you go.
Then the other one.
Yes, and the other one. Oh, let's get this first, guys. Okay, there. And you can put this one on the top and at the middle as well. Okay. So this is the IKEA Trofast. This is how it looks like. It's so nice because you can also put something on top. So it's very useful. So by the way, guys, we still have another box to assemble,
Yeah.
but me and Kenzo decided to assemble it using
Time
time
lapse.
lapse. Okay, so let's do it, Kenzo.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so guys, we already assembled the two toy storage from IKEA, the Trofast. So this is how it looks like. So we put there 3. In the first one, we have 3 big drawers here. And the second one, can you move here, Kenji? We have 2 small storage and 2 big ones. Okay? This is how it looks like. So we are gonna transfer the toys in our old toy storage. So let's go!
Yeah.
Alright, so guys, here it is.
Uh-huh.
Yes, so we already transferred the toys from the old toy storage. But we need to take out some toys that we don't need anymore. But we still need one more Trofast there. So probably we're gonna buy soon, just one more. Because there's lots of toys here that it can't be fit anymore inside. So that's about it. Hope you enjoyed today's video.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and comment down below.
Okay, so thank you guys for watching and bye! Keep
Bye.
safe, everyone!
Keep safe.
Bye!
Bye, guys. つないいいいい